Embraer, Sky 5424. Dr. Staff, direct San Luis Obispo, Sky 5424. Sky 772, Sky 5424. Embraer approach grid, Sky 5424, out of 13-1, sending 9,000 direct staff.
Sky 5424, Santa Barbara approach. Did you have information to do with San Luis altimeter 3027?
3027, we do have 0 Sky 5424.
Sky 5424, roger. Expect the visual approach for only 290.
Roger.
Sky 5424, descend and maintain 4,000. Advise when you have San Luis Airport site 12 o'clock, 20 miles.
4,000 will advise, Sky 5424. And we got the airport side, Sky 5424.
Sky 5424, cleared visual approach for only 290.
Cleared visual approach 29, Sky 5424.
Sky 5424, reduce the final approach speed. The tower's got you behind a Mooney that's in LF 360 on a 6-mile final, indicated 130 knots slower.
I will slow Sky 5424.
Sky 5424, contact San Luis Tower 124.0.
Tower, Sky 5424, sir.
Yeah.
Tower, Sky 5424, visual 29.
Tower 5424, San Luis Tower, make straight and approach runway 29, report a 4-mile final, reduce the final.
We're slowing the final approach speed, we're report 4 hours, Sky 5424.
Tower 734, 64 Zulu going around.
Test 4 Uniform Zulu, roger. Offset left of runway.
Offsetting left runway 734 Zulu.
Test 4 Uniform Zulu, when able, say the reason for the go around.
Tower 4 Zulu, we just thought it'd be a little bit close for that traffic on the runway still.
Test 4 Uniform Zulu, future reference, I need 3,000 feet between two arrivals. They can both be in the same runway at the same time.
Thank you, 4 Zulu.
Test 4 Uniform Zulu, runway heading into you past the freeway, then make left traffic.
Runway heading, fully past the freeway and left traffic, 4 Zulu.
Skywest 5424 would be Embraer departing product Robert.
Got 5424, 3.5 miles up.
Skywest 5424, runway 29 clear line.
9 clear left, got 5424.
Scanner 5424, turn right on Charlie, right in Alpha, hold position.
Right on Charlie, right on Alpha, hold position, Skies 5424.
Welcome to San Luis Obispo, where the local time is 11:17. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use your phones and tablets. Don't forget to check your seat back pockets and make sure that you have all of your personal belongings, and please be careful when opening the overhead bins. Once we arrive at the gate, we'll hand you off to our airport team, and they'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. Your feedback is really important to us, as some of you will receive a survey asking about your experience via email or in the United app, and we'd love to know how you enjoyed your flight with us today. You can quickly find baggage claim information by opening the United app, selecting flight status, and entering the flight number. Baggage claim information will be underneath your arrival gate information. From all of us at United Express and our Star Alliance partners, thank you for flying with us today. We hope that you enjoyed your flight. We look forward to seeing you again soon. All customers will deplane using either a jet bridge or a ramp. So for those of you who checked a bag with a green tag, your bag will be delivered to you either in the jet bridge or at the bottom of the ramp. Please don't enter the terminal without retrieving your green tagged bag first, as you won't be allowed to return back down to grab it. Just line up along the wall of the jet bridge or congregate at the bottom of the ramp, and they'll either bring those bags up to you in the jet bridge or they'll roll a cart over with your bag on it at the bottom of the ramp. Once again, this is just for those green tagged bags. If you did happen to check a bag here with a white tag to be picked up in baggage claim, you may pick it up there in the baggage claim area. Thank you for your cooperation. It certainly has been our pleasure bringing you to San Luis Obispo. Enjoy the sunshine and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.
Did they clear up where we need to go, or is it still back on?